Every gardener knows the frustration of dealing with endless piles of garden waste while, simultaneously spending money on expensive fertilizers. What if I told you there's a revolutionary method that transforms your weeds, grass clippings, and pruned leaves into premium organic fertilizer without the mess, smell, or complicated processes of traditional composting? This game-changing technique has been quietly revolutionizing home gardens worldwide, and today you'll master it completely. Why traditional composting fails most gardeners. Traditional composting methods often discourage even the most enthusiastic gardeners. The constant turning, monitoring moisture levels, managing temperature, and dealing with awful odors creates more work than most people can handle. Worse yet, improperly managed compost piles attract pests, create neighborhood complaints, and often fail to produce quality fertilizer. The truth is, nature has been composting successfully for millions of years without human intervention, and we can harness this natural process directly in our growing containers. This revolutionary approach works by creating micro-composting environments directly within your planting containers. Instead of processing organic materials separately, you're essentially creating a living ecosystem where decomposition happens naturally and beneficially right where your plants need it most. The key lies in understanding that decomposition is simply nature's recycling system, and when managed correctly within growing containers, it provides continuous, slow-release nutrition that commercial fertilizers simply cannot match. The science behind this method is, honestly, beautifully simple. As organic materials break down directly in your soil, they release nutrients gradually, improve soil structure, retain moisture, and create beneficial microbial activity that strengthens plant immune systems. This creates a self-sustaining cycle where your plants actually become healthier and more productive over time, rather than dependent on external fertilizer inputs. The foundation of successful direct composting lies in choosing the right materials and preparing them properly. Fresh grass clippings, pulled weeds, pruned branches, fallen leaves, vegetable scraps from your kitchen, and even old plant material from previous harvests all serve as excellent raw materials. The crucial step is chopping these materials as finely as possible, ideally into pieces no larger than 1 inch. Fine chopping accelerates decomposition dramatically because it increases surface area, allowing beneficial microorganisms to work more efficiently. When materials are properly chopped, they begin breaking down within days rather than weeks, and the smaller pieces integrate seamlessly with your existing soil without creating air pockets or drainage issues. Avoid using diseased plant material, weeds that have gone to seed, or any chemically treated grass clippings. These materials can introduce problems rather than benefits. Fresh materials work perfectly fine despite common myths about burning plants. The key is proper layering and covering, which we'll explore next. Successful direct composting relies on proper layering technique that creates optimal conditions for decomposition while supporting healthy plant growth. Begin by filling your containers only 3/4 full with your regular potting mix or garden soil. This reserved space becomes your composting zone where organic materials will be processed throughout the growing season. Create your first organic layer by spreading chopped materials evenly across the soil surface, about 1 inch thick. Then, cover this organic layer with a thin layer of soil, roughly 1/2 inch, which serves multiple purposes. The soil covering prevents odors, retains moisture, provides beneficial microorganisms, and creates the perfect environment for decomposition to get started. Continue this alternating pattern throughout the growing season. Every time you have fresh organic materials, chop them finely, spread them over your existing soil surface, and cover with another thin soil layer. This creates distinct decomposition zones that work independently, while still contributing to the overall fertility of your container. Proper moisture management really determines the success or failure of your direct composting efforts. The organic material should feel kind of like a well-wrung sponge, moist but definitely not waterlogged. Too much moisture creates anaerobic conditions that produce foul odors and slow decomposition, while too little moisture stops the process entirely. Monitor your containers regularly, especially during hot weather when decomposition speeds up. You'll notice the organic layers settling and darkening as decomposition progresses. This settling is totally normal and actually indicates successful microbial activity. As materials break down, they'll create space for additional organic layers, allowing you to keep adding materials throughout the growing season. Temperature also plays a crucial role in decomposition rates. Warmer conditions speed up the process, while cooler weather slows it down. During peak summer months, materials may decompose completely within 2 to 3 weeks, while cooler seasons might require 6 to 8 weeks for full breakdown. Understanding when and how to add organic materials really maximizes the benefits of direct composting. The best time to add fresh materials is during active growing seasons, when plants can immediately utilize the nutrients being released. Spring and early summer applications provide sustained nutrition during peak growth periods, while fall applications prepare slow-release nutrients for the following season. Coordinate your organic material additions with your regular garden maintenance schedule. Every time you prune, weed, or harvest, immediately process those materials back into your growing containers. This creates a continuous cycle where your garden waste becomes immediate garden benefit, eliminating disposal costs and environmental waste. Pay attention to your plant's growth patterns and adjust organic material applications accordingly. Heavy feeders like tomatoes, peppers, and squash benefit from more frequent applications, while lighter feeders may require less organic material to prevent over-fertilization. Direct composting creates soil conditions that commercial fertilizers simply cannot replicate. As organic materials decompose, they improve soil structure, creating better drainage in heavy soils and improved water retention in sandy soils. The decomposition process also generates gentle heat that can extend growing seasons and protect roots during temperature fluctuations. The microbial activity generated by decomposing organic matter creates a living soil ecosystem that strengthens plant immune systems and improves nutrient uptake efficiency. Plants grown in direct composted soil often show increased resistance to pests and diseases, reduced water requirements, and improved overall vigor compared to those grown with synthetic fertilizers alone. This method also creates perfect pH buffering that helps maintain optimal growing conditions automatically. As organic materials break down, they naturally balance soil acidity and alkalinity, creating stable growing conditions that support healthy plant development without constant monitoring and adjustment. Even with proper technique, you may encounter some challenges when implementing direct composting. Fruit flies or gnats sometimes appear when organic materials are too wet or not properly covered. Solve this by ensuring adequate soil covering and reducing moisture levels slightly. Slow decomposition usually indicates insufficient moisture, poor air circulation, or materials that are too large. Increase watering frequency, ensure proper soil covering, and chop materials more finely for faster breakdown. Unpleasant odors typically result from anaerobic conditions caused by too much moisture or inadequate soil covering. Improve drainage, reduce watering frequency, and ensure all organic materials are properly covered with soil layers. Direct composting creates cumulative benefits that improve dramatically over time. Each season builds upon the previous season's organic matter, creating increasingly rich, fertile growing medium that supports healthier plants with less external input. After 2 to 3 seasons, you'll notice significantly improved soil structure, darker color, and enhanced water retention capabilities. So, the key to long-term success honestly lies in consistency and patience. Regular applications of organic materials, using the proper layering technique, and making sure there's adequate moisture management. These all create compounding benefits over time. That's how you can transform ordinary potting soil into a premium growing medium that really rivals even the most expensive commercial mixes. This method also creates sustainable gardening practices that reduce environmental impact while improving garden productivity. By processing organic waste directly in growing containers, you eliminate transportation costs, reduce landfill waste, and create a closed-loop system that benefits both your garden and the environment. Your journey to effortless composting starts now. Direct composting represents a fundamental shift from complicated, labor-intensive methods to simple, natural processes that work with nature rather than against it. This technique requires no special equipment, expensive inputs, or complicated monitoring systems. Success comes from understanding basic principles and applying them consistently over time. Transform your garden waste from a disposal problem into your most valuable gardening resource. Start implementing direct composting today and, watch your plants thrive while your fertilizer costs disappear. Your garden will thank you with healthier plants, bigger harvests, and soil that improves year after year. Ready to revolutionize your gardening approach? Subscribe to Soil and Crops Central for more game-changing techniques that make gardening easier, more productive, and more sustainable. Share this video with fellow gardeners who are ready to discover the power of working with nature rather than against it. Your gardening success story starts with the next handful of organic materials you add to your containers.